2023 Yamaha YZ250X first-look Japanese motorcycle company offering two-stroke. Although Yamaha is the only Japanese motorcycle company offering two-stroke dirt bikes, the tuning fork folks are not resting on their laurels. The 2023 Yamaha YZ250X off-road cross-country racer benefits from several updates. Let's go over what's new. Yamaha has redesigned the intake. It's straighter, which Yamaha claims increases low-end and mid-range torque. The motor is still a reed induction design, fed by a Hitachi Astemo K&N PWK38S carburetor, no FE, yet. However, the 38mm carb does have a throttle position sensor and power jet for improved performance. With more power down low, the clutch gets new pressure plates. The goal is to improve resistance to heat. The transmission is still a 5-speed, and the clutch continues to be actuated by a cable. If you're going faster, you need to stop with more authority, so Yamaha has upgraded the brakes. Both ends get new rotors, though the diameter is unchanged. Up front, there's a new caliper with increased rigidity and larger pistons. The radiator shrouds have been tucked in, and the seat flattened. This will make it easier to move around on the 2023 Yamaha YZ250X. KYB suspension returns with a shock update. The shock gets Kashima coat internals for smoother action. The fork is still the outstanding speed-sensitive system unit we all know and love. The rear sprocket is lighter this year. The wheels are unchanged, Excel rims with Dunlop GMAX MX33 tires mounted. There are new graphics and a new price for the 2023 Yamaha YZ250X. Team Yamaha Blue continues to be the color offered, naturally. The MSRP increases $200 to $7,999, and the motorcycle should be on the showroom floor of your local dealer right now. 2023 Yamaha YZ250X specs. Engine type: 2-stroke single displacement, 249cc bore X-stroke, 66.4 by 72.0 mm compression ratio, 7.9, 1 to 9.4, 1 fueling, 38mm Hitachi Astemo K&N PWK38S carburetor intake, reed valve exhaust, power valve and expansion chamber cooling, liquid starting, kick lubrication, premix transmission, close ratio 6-speed clutch, wet multi-plate chain, O-ring chassis. Frame: twin spar aluminum with aluminum square tube subframe handlebar, aluminum front suspension. Travel: fully adjustable KYB speed-sensitive system inverted fork, 11.8 inches rear suspension. Travel: linkage assisted, fully adjustable KYB piggyback shock, 12.4 inches wheels. Excel tires: Dunlop GMAX MX33 front tire, 8100s X21 rear tire, 110, 100 by 18 front brake, 270mm disc rear brake, 240mm disc dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 58.5 inches rake, 27.7 degrees trail, 4.8 inches seat height, 38.4 inches ground clearance, 14.2 inches fuel capacity, 1.8 gallons wet weight, 229 pounds color. Team Yamaha Blue.